By adding a reading progress bar, your WordPress posts and pages will not only show your users their progress, but also encourage reading. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add reading progress bar in WordPress. Coming up.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
So this is the website where I want to add reading progress bar to. To do that, I'm going to install a plugin. And this is the plugin I'm going to install with the Read by Well Done Marketing. I'll leave a link to this plugin in the description down below. So what I do is I'll just go ahead and copy the name of the plugin. I exit out of here, then I go to the back end of my website. Then I go over to plugins, click on add new. Under search plugins, I go ahead and paste in the name of the plugin. And this is the plugin right here. I click on install now. It is installed, I activate. The plugin is installed and activated successfully. Next, I go over to with the read right here, then I click on reading progress. Under functionality, this is where you need to set where you want the reading progress bar to be displayed on. So you can display it on post, pages, and the home page of your website. For now, I'm going to select all. If you have a custom post type, you can go ahead and set it up from here. I don't have any on my website. You can also include comments as part of the reading progress, but I don't want to do this. I only want to show you for the main post. Next is placement. You have the options to place it on top, bottom, left, or right. For this tutorial, I'm going to leave it as top, which is the default, and I will leave the rest of the settings as they are. Then I go ahead and save the changes. The settings is saved. So now if I go to the front end of my website, as I begin to scroll, you see the progress bar right here. Awesome. And this is kind of cool. Now if I go to any page, then if I begin to scroll, you see the progress bar on the single pages as well. Now let's check how it will come out on the blog post. So I go over to news. Then I go ahead and open any of the blog posts. You see it right on top as I scroll. Awesome.
If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue.
Now going back, I actually don't want to show it on pages and the home page, so I disable them. Then I go ahead and save the changes. Next, I go over to style. In here, you can customize the thickness of the progress bar. I leave it as it is. You can also set the foreground color and the background color. So at the moment, this is the color we are using. You can choose whatever color you want, like this. You can also set the foreground opacity so that the color wouldn't be this thick. So first of all, if I save the changes, then I go over to the front end and refresh. You see the color has changed. Awesome. Now if I go back, now I increase the opacity to 1. You can also change the background color as well as the rest of the colors. I leave them as they are, then I go ahead and save the changes. Now if I go to the front end of my website and refresh, as I begin to scroll, you now see the new color. Awesome. So that's it on how to add reading progress bar in WordPress.
Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next one.